Hey, this is Jackson. I teach happiness studies at the University of Alabama. And I want to share with you three Zen stories on happiness. This is going to be part one. And this is the story of the samurai and the Zen master. So the samurai goes and he visits this old master and he says, "Master, I want you to show me heaven and hell. Show me this wisdom." And the master says, "Well, you're kind of a foolish samurai. Come in here and I just think you're not wise enough. You're a fool. You'll never have what it takes." And the samurai starts to get angry. And the master says, "You know what? I was right. You have nothing. You can't do this. You don't have what it takes. You don't know all these things." And the samurai gets really angry and he pulls out his sword. And just as he's about to strike down the master says, "That's hell. Anger, rage. That's hell." And the samurai falls to his knees and, says, "Thank you. I'm so grateful. Thank you for teaching me." And the master says, "That's heaven. Gratitude, appreciation, wisdom." So that's story number one.